Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I'm your SEB mathematics teacher, Laiba. Students, as we have started unit number first, whole numbers and operation. And in the previous video, I have explained you the place value system and how to write a number in words and how to write a number in numerals. So now students, let's start the next one topic. Students, this is my second lecture and my topic is addition. So students, you know about the addition and you already learned in the previous classes in class 1, 2, 3 and 4th also. And now addition is here again. So now what is addition? Addition is combining a numbers to another number. Addition is combining a number to another number. Very easy. Now next is, so now students, these are the terms used for addition. Terms used for addition. The first one is add, altogether, both, combined, how many, increase, join, plus, together and total. These are the terms which is used for addition. Now students, these are the example that how to add a number, any number. Now we can add a smaller number easily, but if the numbers are bigger, so how to add? The method is same. Students, we have to write these numbers in vertical form. Vertical mean up to down, up to down. The first one number is 23,742. How to read this number? 23,742. The next one number is 45,246. And here is the plus sign also. So now students, the first one number is 23,742. You have to write their places also. Students, remember one thing. Whenever you are adding a number, you have to start from the right side. From the right side. From the right side there is ones. In ones there is 2 and 6. You have to plus this. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. 8, okay? Now look at tens place. In the tens place there are 4 and 4. 4 plus 4, 8. In the hundreds place there are 7 and 2. 7 plus 2 equals to 9. In the thousands place, there 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Now 4 plus 6 is equal to 6. Very easy. You can add them horizontally also, but in vertical form it will be better for you. Now example number 2, the method is same. Now here are 6-digit numbers. This is 532,325 plus 452,463. So we can add them vertically. Start from the right side, from the ones place. Add the ones place digit, which is 8. Add the tens place digit, which is 8. And now add them 100. Now add the 100 place digits, which is 4 and 3, 7. The tens place, 2 plus 2, 8, 4. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. Very easy. Addition is very easy and you already learned about that. So now let's move to the next one. Now students, what is subtraction? Subtraction is very easy and you also learn the subtraction in the previous classes. What is subtraction? Subtraction is when you take a number and make it smaller. When you take a number and make it smaller by using another number. Subtraction is when you take a number and make it smaller by using another number. Clear? Now students, here are the terms used for subtraction. Also the subtraction terms there are used deduct. deduct, decreased by, decreased by, difference, how many more, how many left, leftward, less than, minus, reduce, remain, remove, subtract, and the last one is take away. So these all words used for addition. These are the terms used for addition. Clear? Now look at this example. I have taken a very smaller example for you. Now look at this. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. So the 9 is called the minuend. What? Minuend. And this is the subtraction sign. Minus 7 is subtrahend. 7 is called the subtrahend. And this is the equal sign. And the answer is called the difference. Difference. Clear? Now students, you have to remember these 2 points. The first one point is when the minuend is same as the subtrahend. When the minuend is same as the subtrahend, so the difference will be same. Example is the minuend is 0 and the subtrahend is also, the minuend is 25 and the subtrahend is also 25. So their difference is 0. 0. Okay. Now the second one is when 0 is the subtrahend. When 0 is the subtrahend, so the difference will be the minuend. Means 25 minus 0. Minuend is 25 and subtrahend is 0. So the answer is the minuend, which is 25. There is another example for subtraction. So in subtraction you have to be very careful. Addition is very easy, but in subtraction you have to be very carefully solve the question. Now subtract 6,732 from 9,340 with borrowing. The number are arranged in column form. Now look, the bigger number is 9345 and the smaller number is 6732. Now here is a word used for from this. You have to write 9340 first and 6732 under this number. You have to start from the right side. In the right side, in the ones place, there is 0. The top number is 0 and the bottom number is 2. So we cannot subtract. We will take borrow from 4. So 4 will become 3 and we will give 1 to 0 and 0 will become 10. So subtract 10 minus 2, which is 8. Now in the tens place digit, there is subtrahend and minuend are same. So their answer difference will be 0. Now in the hundreds place digit, there is 3 and 7. So 3 is smaller than 7. We cannot subtract. So we will take borrow from 9. 9 will become 8 and 3 will become 13. Okay. 3 will become 13. So now subtract 13 from 7. So answer is 6. Now in the thousands place digit, there is 9, not 9, sorry. There is 8 because we take 1 from 9. So 9 will become 8. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So in the last, the difference is 2608. 2608. Understand? Now student, this is enough for today. This is your practice, or you can take it as a homework. You can find the missing digits. There are 3 parts. So please do practice on these questions and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.